Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for the steeds, the mighty steeds of hell, to make their legendary return. I'm talking about the Stang Gangians. That's right, the Stang Gangians are back in the building. Back for some foolery. Back to get real sinister and put those toes to the fire and those feet to the pavement. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Stang Gangians down, or will the Stang Gangians get on that trusty steed and ride it through hell and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister, Stang Gangian style. Man, this officer already on him. He flying. Officer Nicholas. Shout out to Hot Police Pursuits. Go support they channel. Go support they channel. Tell them T-Lights World sent you. Reaction time. Is that the Stang right there? Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my Stang Gangian toes devil. I hope you're ready. Oh, he moving. Oh, he lost control, just like your typical Stang. Is that a GT? Yeah, that's a GT with the pinstripe. I think it's a GT. No, I don't think that's a GT. Oh, we're trying to pit him off the gate.
122 at 469. Light traffic.
I think that's an Eco Boost, y'all. Eco Maniac in the Eco Boost. Hold on. He moving. Hold on. Maybe I spoke too soon. It might be a GT. Pull over, punk. We just want to talk.
Speeds 110, 122 at the intersection.
I think this is an Eco Boost, y'all. He got his foot all the way down and he get no separation. Just like your baby mama, you can't get no time to yourself. She always calling you. Oh, he got a fall apart Mustang. He got a Lego Mustang. Yeah, I think this is an Eco Boost. It's moving though. Them Eco Boosts fast. I think they got like 300 horses now. I ain't sleeping on no Eco.
Dispatch, no traffic. Speed 110, still 122.
Looked like he was in a wreck. The whole front end is tore up. How the whole front end tore up? Going in for that pit again. Not today, copper. And you know he think he fast because he got the pinstripes. If you see a Mustang with pinstripes, you know he think he fast. He don't think nobody in the world can beat him. They doing 130. He doing about 140 now. He moving. Pull your Mustang over. Oh, what is he doing? He went off-road in the Stang? He went off-road in the Stang.
Go.
Oh, he out of there, baby. He go. He took the Mustang off-road, y'all.
2 on 2 white males on foot.
Are they getting footy? Eco Boost toes. We got 2 Chadookies. They said 2 white males, y'all. two Chad Ookies. You know that wasn't Pookie and Ray Ray, man. That was Chad Ookie and Bubba. They took the Mustang off-road, man. Never have I seen a Mustang go off-road. Look at that cop. He El Caliente. He hot. He mad. Y'all see the flames on the top of his head?
Fell in a fucking hole.
He said he fell in a hole. Chad Ookie and Bubba, man. The Dukes of Hazzard.
I think that would be better tracking because you would cut, but if you go to the car to try to get scent like off the car that they got out of, that's a pretty rough trek through there. Like I mean, there's big ass rocks and shit. I mean, we take our time, but
y'all ain't catching them. They gone.
I don't know. I mean, they could just be laid down anywhere in there.
And right here, or I guess anywhere.
Yeah, just anywhere. I mean, because the car, obviously, you see the tracks. It's just right at the bottom of that where that field is, and they ran back west on the other side of that tree line, but it dips down pretty good.
Okay. You got your PA?
Yeah.
Let me get in there.
They better not be. They better not own that car. It probably was stolen. I don't think they catching them, y'all.
Anything else?
They got the binoculars out. They got the binoculars out, man. When have you seen them pull the binoculars out on a police chase? They long gone. If you need binoculars to see them, they're out of there. My man got the binoculars out. Chad, Ookie, and Bubba, y'all are amazing, man. This is my first time ever seeing them pull binoculars out in a police chase. Hold on. So I guess they eventually caught him. The driver was charged with fleeing, another fleeing. So one fleeing on foot, one fleeing in the vehicle, exceeding speeds. Then he got charged with aggravated assault, failure to stop or yield. He didn't have no driver's license, obstructing governmental operations, hindering apprehension or prosecution, careless and prohibiting driving, improper passing on the right, no seatbelt, and loitering. Now, I don't know how he saw him without the seatbelt, but we're going to take his word for it. The passenger was charged with obstructing governmental operations, no seatbelt, hindering apprehension or prosecution, and fleeing on foot. And the second passenger was charged with fleeing on foot. So is it two? Yeah, so hold on. Was it passenger one and passenger two? So it was how many people was in it? 3 people? So it was 3 people. So it was Chad, Bubba, and Earl Ray. Chad, Bubba, and Earl Ray. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. Diabolical when Chad, Ookie, Bubba, and Earl Ray out here in the Stang acting a bona fide fool, getting busy in the Mustang. I'm talking about flying. They had that EcoBoost open all the way up like your baby mama's legs are for the entire neighborhood. You got yourself a fly. She's nasty. That's how they was moving, y'all. They was definitely moving. They was grooving. They was getting busy, and they wasn't playing no games. They said, we got no time to waste. We got to go. We are the new version of the Dukes of Hazzard. Earl Ray in the back seat, Bub on the passenger side, and Chad Ookie driving, doing their thing, man. This was a wonderful chase. Big shout out to the Stang Gangians. Y'all never cease to amaze me. Y'all will run in any kind of Mustang. It don't matter if it's a 4-banger, V6, V8. They don't care. They gonna run like they never ran before. Gone with the wind. This was a nice looking Mustang too. Definitely was a nice Mustang. For sure. It was a 2013 Ford Mustang. It was black with the green stripe. I like the green stripe. Actually, the green stripe was nice. The black color was nice. I'm pretty sure it was an Eco Boost, but man, big shout out to the Stang Gangians for giving us a wonderful show. And like I said, go check out Hot Pursuits, man. Go show their channel some love. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and drop me a couple of those hype points in the Avengers Cup. But if you don't got no hype points left, it's okay. A simple like and a simple comment will do just fine. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Haters only show up when you're doing good. Did you hear me? Haters, because they try to do it in silence, so we're going to call them haters. They try to move in silence, but they hate on you when they see you doing good. They hate on you not because you are worthy of the hate, but because they hate themselves. You ain't did nothing for them to hate on you. You just doing good. You just doing what you're supposed to do. You living life and doing things right, and they mad about that. It eats them up inside to see you winning. Well, guess what? Keep winning. Don't show them no mercy. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep making them hate. Keep making them have to look in the mirror and be mad at themselves, humiliated at themselves, just mad at their life. You keep making them mad at their life, because maybe, just maybe, you can get them to change their life and maybe help them get better in life. But if not, keep standing on them. Keep giving them that good old-fashioned success. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But if you want to go full-blown ruthless, full-blown merciless, you want your diabolic in wings, you might want to do it in a what? A Mustang Stanganian Eco Boost.